Okay, so I testing the KOT demo account because I already have a real account with Forex.com, but this is just to test how the US 30 works. So just playing around with it. This is not a real account. This is just a before you join something, you gotta test the field. So this is my second broker. I just found out. I want to see how it works. So I'll be in the demo first, then I'll try the what do you call it? I'll try the real account, but I never did US 30 before, so but yo, the demo account helps you to be very emotionless, so I think that's why people like it. So I mean, let's see what happens over there, but I'm going back into my real account, take care of business. GBP USD. Let's see what's going on. It's pretty slow. It's a pretty slow Sunday, so things are just taking place. See how things go. If you can post your profit, you can also post your disadvantages, but that's how we get better. We live and learn. Go to trading view, see what it's doing. Alright, so US 30 is selling now. I predicted it was gonna sell. Go back to GBP, USD. I don't know what that's thinking about doing right now, because my prediction was that it was gonna sell. So I don't know why I placed the buy, honestly. I gotta start believing in myself more. So let's go back. And you should never put up a big lot. If you just want to test the field, always do a 0.01. Never always stick to your trading plan. Oh, my bad. I was supposed to click sell. Always stick with your, this is a real account. The KOT, I'm just testing the field because I never did US 30, so this is a real account for Forex.com. So I'm gonna stick with my plan and stop being stupid. So I predicted it was gonna sell. I'm gonna stick with my plan and I'm gonna stay faithful with it. So the stop loss will be 1.36760. You never want to take it too high, so 1.36760. Alright, 1.36760. 1.36760. Alright. I take profit. My prediction on trading view was that yeah, it was going down, so I'm just basing it on the lines that I drew. Let's just be realistic, man. I'm gonna put it at 1.36300 just to test the field, 1.36300. No, actually, let's bring it up a little more. 1.36250. Alright, let's do that. 1.36250. Then we're gonna check out what's going on in the US 30. 1.36250. So you always want to use a 0.01. If you want to test the field, never go full retard. I'm just doing this because I want to practice. I wouldn't say practice, but I just want to see how it works like on the weekend. The only way to learn is to step back, take the right procedure, and have faith in your plan. So yeah, let's see what's going on over there in the US 30 in the demo account. Let's see what's going on over there. Oh, it looks like it's dark, so I never did US 30 before, so let's see. You'll check up on that later. At least we have a tight stop loss, so we're good. GBP USD. If it goes above the stop loss, then we know that it could be a manipulation, but you always don't want to be blaming everything on manipulation. So actually, let me bring it a little bit lower than that at 1.36. Let's see. What was the stop loss? 1.36250. Alright, we're gonna leave it there like that. And I don't think the this right here, I don't think that's why I don't like using this right here. I don't like using it. I like using trading view. You see it better, so you always want to project it on your trading view. You go according to the plan. So it's just a matter of being patient. My trading view is 30 minutes, and my I place my sell in an hour. So what happens is that I'm able to see ahead of time. It's like I'm in the future. So if there's any changes, I can like fix it, But this is interesting. I'm only willing to risk like like maximum $3 to $4, because when you first start in this whole forex trading, you just want to test the field. You got to do it smart. Just use a 0.01. Don't go full retail. Don't go use a 10.0 lot. You're gonna go crazy, mate. All right, let's see. Demo account, man. I'm still waiting to get approved by KOT. That's why I'm playing in the demo account. But damn, man, you are steady crazy, boy. Okay, at least I know it's a demo account, so we could. I even close it on this one, man. Oh, you don't modify, you just close it. Alright, so at least we know it's a demo account. So I'm gonna place a buy. Let's see how US steady goes. Man, US steady be moving like crazy, man. Thank God I'm learning with the demo, man. See that thing moving, boy. I feel like if you get the US steady the right way, it's good. Like, but this is the weekend gap, so let's see. So like I said, we just testing the waters. We're not doing nothing crazy. I'm gonna stick with my plan. The only failed trade is when you don't stick to your own trading plan. My prediction was that by 620 it's gonna drop for a sell, because now we're in a downward trend. So let's go back to this one. Alright, you see it's going down. It was at 80, but now it's at 56. It moves crazy when the weekend is over. So let's see. You go back to the US 30. Demo account, man. This right here is a demo account. The other one is my real Forex account. I just signed up for KOT, so hopefully by the end of the week I'll be approved. So this is how you do it. You gotta do things the smart way. I didn't jump into the live account. I'm playing with the demo account. Let me see what's going on with gold. See, this is the reason why I signed up for this, because I always wanted to do gold. So let's buy gold. So it looks like it's a little too late to buy gold, but save not enough money. Alright, so things are looking a little clearer. I'm kind of liking this broker. I see a lot of potential here. The US 30 is going on for the buy. Gold is, let's see what gold is doing. Gold too. So by 620, things are we're gonna see what's really going on. So see this. Oh, it went to the blue, but it's definitely gonna sell. That's for sure. Let's see what is going on in the trading view. Always stick with your trading plan. Never leave your trading plan. A failed trade is the one that you didn't stick to your plans. We're gonna hold on to this. We're gonna keep switching. Okay, got you. My boy trying to get me to subscribe to his channel, man. Alright, so thank God for the 0.01. We can always put things to the test. So a lot of manipulation is going on. The banks are just going crazy. Alright, so back to the demo account that we're playing with. We're just seeing how things are. Ooh! Yo, I'm about to go in on this. It's just a demo account for this one, and I'm going in, bro. Gold is US 30. Yo, I'm out, boy. Yo, I'm pretty nice at this, man. So this right here is a demo account. I don't do things that I don't say something that I don't do. I keep things real. I'm going back to my real account, which I'm just testing the waters because I want to see I just want to see if my prediction was right and what was really going on. I placed the stop loss. Always have a stop loss, and if your stop loss is really tight and it's nice, it's gonna help you avoid anxiety. So, but the thing about a demo account is, it's just a stepping stone to. It's just a stepping stone for you to feel confident before you get into it. So I like to keep things balanced, like 2, 4. You know, this is 3. I don't like to leave it hanging, so I'm gonna buy more gold. Gold looking lovely. So let's see. We'll keep this at an hour. It's always good to keep it at an hour because you have more control. So once again, I don't lie to people. I always do. If I'm not doing something, I'm not gonna lie to you. This right here is a demo account. My real account is right here. Like I said, I'm just testing the field of the weekend gap. I wanna see if I can learn how to trade on the weekend gap. Like why when it opens. That's why I made a smart move and I only made it 0.01. And I'm sticking to my plans that it's gonna drop as a downward trend. So, but I'm enjoying the demo with my new broker, because the only reason why I didn't stick with this broker and just keeping it on the side is because they didn't let me trade US 30 and gold. So your boy wanna have some fun, man. You gotta have some fun with this. Ooh. We out, baby. Yo, that US 30 be moving, man. Alright, let me see. Let's see the charts. Alright. Let's see what's happening with gold. Alright, so everything pretty much looks even. So we're gonna leave this right here. Go back to the real account. You see it's dropping down for the sell. So listen, man, God is good. God has made a way. Always stick with your trading plan. I said I was gonna sell. I didn't. Well, I was testing the field and I kind of I was moved off center, and this is one of the biggest lessons: never be moved off center. Trade according to your trading plan. This is the real account. I'm going to my demo account with my new broker that I'm testing out. I'm not just gonna jump the gun. I want to make sure they're good. So, and one thing, always you make your money and you take your money out. I'm just trying to see how this runs. That's why I kept it going. But hey, let me see how it looks like when you close it. That's a great feeling. So we got 1 US 30, 2 gold. Let's place another one for US 30. We're gonna buy it. It seems like the bears. No, the bulls. The bulls means the buyers. So the bulls are winning on this side. Go to my real account, and we're just trying to see. Just trying to see what's going on. Things been moving on the weekend gap, so I put myself on the line for you guys, man. Technically, I have two predictions based on my lines that I drew. If it's gonna go up, it's gonna go all the way up here, and it can't go no more. But it has really exhausted its buyers, so I believe it's time for the downward trend, and it's time for a lot of sellers to take over. But you know what? In my notes it said I should place a buy. My bad, man. In my notes it said I should place a buy by 620. So man, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just tripping, man. You see, you gotta be robotic, man. You gotta be emotionless. You can't put your heart into this. I actually forgot my plan. My plan was from 620 to 720. It's gonna be like a buy, and it's actually 619. That's one of my biggest problems, is to stay calm and wait for my actual plan. So I'm not scared to show off my mistakes. Let's see the trading view. Alright, so my stop loss, I'm gonna make it a tight stop loss. It's gonna be a 1.36400. A 1.36400. 0.36400. And my take profit is projected to be, let's just be realistic, 1.37200. 1.37200. 1.37200. Once again, it's a real account, and like I said, if you ever want to see if it's going your way, use a small lot. Don't go and use a 0.10. Use a 0.01, 0.02. You know. Let me go back to my demo account with this broker. It seems like they have a lot of advantages. So your boy bounced back, baby. Yo, shout out to them IML demo people, man. I don't do that demo stuff, man. I do the demo, I practice, and I go straight to the battlefield, man. We keep it real, but I'm loving this, bro. I'm loving this. KOT4 is legit. Hopefully my stuff gets cleared out in the week, so I can bounce on gold and US 30. It's a wrap from here, baby. Alright, so in my notes it says 620 to around 7 is gonna be placed for a buy. My notes was like 2 to 3 months of research. Yeah, it's like 2 to 3 months of research, so my notes is actually more predictable than the charts and the trend lines that I do. So don't be persuaded by all those lines and stuff. Go according to all your research, everything that you drew, you know. But man, I'm loving that US 30, bro, and that gold. They say if you're gonna go for gold, go for pure gold. So let's see what the demo is doing. Because I'm testing out these brokers out. This broker, I want to see how they do. Man, this is nice, man. Oh yeah, always remember to take your profit. So, but I'm just playing with it. I'm just trying to see what's going on with it. That's a little too early. I just want to see how this runs. As you can see, we're winning with the KOT broker. I believe they offer more of an advantage in terms of you winning. So I'm going to the my real account, my FOREX.com account. My prediction was for it to buy, so it's normal to see this. You just have faith and don't panic. That's why you place your stop loss. If you place your stop loss in the right place, you have less anxiety. So yeah. So whenever you do this, don't stress yourself. Your stop loss is already there, so you're good. I'm going to my. I always like to manage my channel. It's always good to tweak stuff, manage your channel, see what's going on. Come on, all right. Response. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm always here to learn. I never said anybody is a pro or is the best at this. It's not about being the best. It's about learning. So we're all here to learn. Feel free to subscribe to my channel. You feel me? Jakarta actually means James Kofi Dankwa. I'm from Ghana. I'm 29 years old. Not trying to drop too much info, but you feel me? Yeah, so we got a couple videos. This is about stocks, forex, business, and a little bit of entertainment. Of course, my favorite show right now is Ghost. So my boy Ghost, man, this dude probably gonna show up at any given time, man. Alright, so just for a quick video, I mean I wasn't supposed to go back into like 720, but I'm gonna go into the trade and just see how it's looking. Like I said, it's very slow. This went from a 0.50 to 0.30. Now it's dropping down, so it took me a lot of research, man. It's not easy. And one thing never having, if you realize that you're having analysis paralysis, that means you're thinking too much. Step back, go take a shower, go take a walk. Place your stop loss really tight so you don't end up losing. This is my favorite pair though, GBP USD. You see where I placed my stop loss? You see that red line? So what we can do is you have to move your stop loss to a profit. So now we're gonna move it up to 1.36530. So 1.36530, 1.36530. You see that? So we are staying in profit. So even if it came down, we still made money. You see that? Always stick with your plan. You see it's dropping down from 0.50 now it's 0.2025. Alright, this is a real account, but I just had a new broker and I'm trying to test the field, so I did a demo account. Trying to experiment with US 30 and and gold, and it's looking very successful. So I'm just gonna close this on a positive note. Your boy was winning, so I encourage you guys to take this seriously. Like I said, always have a tight stop loss, move it into profit, and use a 0.01 if you're starting out. Never go full retard, okay? Alright, so back to the real account. Always do your maximum research. Do like 6 to 12 months of research before you make decisions. It took me like 3 months before I chose the right broker. My trade is heavily influenced. I mean, I was exposed because I was listening to Swaggy C. I was on Instagram. I was like, yo, a black man can achieve this. That inspired me to do this. So like I said, it dropped from a 0.50, now it's a 0.25. Let's go to trading view. It's taking its time because it's only Sunday, 5 o'clock. I wasn't even supposed to do this, but I'm a little impatient sometimes. So just to be on the safe side, as soon as it moves into profit, into my take profit, or like just somewhere reasonable, I am going to close it. So I believe these lines that I did my notes are more important than these lines, so I go according to the notes. Then I come to this line to determine how far it'll go. So let's see how. Oh man, we're making progress, baby. You see that? It's dropping into profit. Always stick with your trading plan. Never be moved off center. Always stick with your trading plan. A trading plan is what you stick to. The only failed trade is the plan that you did not stick to, and you always have to move yourself into profit by the stop loss. This is how you do it. So I'm gonna move my stop loss up into profit. So we're gonna go to 1.36570. So let's go 1.36570. We're moving up into profit. You see, I went from a 0.50 to now I'm moving into profit. I'm sticking with my plan. You see that? Always stick with your plan. Always stick with your plans. Always stick with your plan. Never move away from your trading plan. This is beautiful, man. Straight 30 minutes of realness. Straight 30 minutes of, you feel me? No joke. I don't do stuff that I don't say stuff that I'm not doing. I always like to keep it real with people. Always stick with your trading plan. I was moved off center in the beginning of this video, and that's one of the biggest things I'm working on. My trading plan was to place a buy at around 618, 620, around that time. So always trade with your trading plan. Go on trading view. Don't be moved off center. The trading view is to map out your stuff. So yeah, always stick with your trading plan. And I said as soon as we move into profit, we're gonna close it because it's the weekend gap and anything can happen. So let's just close it. It's a 0.01 lot. You don't expect too much, you know. Any money, you have to respect money to make money. Even if it's 2 cents and you want to close it early, it's up to you. Never be moved off center. Always stick with your trading plan. I only got 3 minutes. I want to make this only a 30-minute video. Once again, this is a real account. The other account was a KOT4 broker. I did my maximum research and it seems to be legit. So the trading in the demo is pretty cool. Gold and US30 is pretty legit. You know, this broker wasn't allowing me to do that. So what your boy got to do? I got to step my game up. So look, we in profit. And this was my trading plan. I'm sticking to it. Let's see if we can get it to $1. Always stick with your trading plan. So I moved from 1 cent to 54 cents. We are definitely in profit. You see that? I don't like looking at the MT4. I like to look at the trading view. So yeah. So always respect money and close when you know, like this one. I didn't really I just wanted to test the field and show you guys. And the important thing is to have your stop loss and profit, and always tweak your stuff. So now we're moving into profit. So what we do in order to secure our profit, we move our stop loss closer and closer, a little higher. So now we move it up the stop loss to 1.36640. So you go in and tweak 1.36640. So now you want to reduce your anxiety. So now we're in profit of 42 cents. It's only going to go up from here. This is beautiful, man. Live account on a Sunday, right when the weekend got happened. So I really put myself on the line for you guys. But I do things from the heart, and I don't brag, and I'm always learning. And the biggest lesson, like I said, are 2 things. Always have a tight stop loss. Actually, 3 things. Always have a tight stop loss. Put your stop loss into profit as you keep going, and take your money out when you reach your target. Okay, guys, have a good one. Let me close it. Let's take that money. Every little money is still money, baby. But at the end of the day, I'm happy with my new broker, KOT4. That demo was beautiful, man. That demo was beautiful. See what gold is doing. Damn. Alright, so like I said, you always want to stay disciplined. I'm going back to my live account because that's what matters the most right now in terms of the trading. And so yeah, you always want to stay disciplined, stick with your trading plan, never move away from your trading plan, and always move your stop loss into profit. You see that? So it's still going up, but it's gonna go up till around, you never know, probably in another 10 minutes, 20 minutes, you never know. So once you have to take profit, you're good. Subscribe to my channel, like it, and share. And always remember, if you're not sure, always use a 0.01. I only did it because I wanted to experiment with the weekend gap. And if I had picked the 5.0, it would have blown the always tread lightly and tread smart.